Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to optimize your Shopify store for SEO. So the first thing is basically optimize your Shopify site structure. Okay, so you have to basically make the structure in a way that basically when user come to your website, they will not get lost. Okay, so here the structure you can see, and here is basically the example page that you can see. Okay, so we have the nice landing page here. So the next thing is basically improve the user experience. So basically build a mobile friendly theme website, use smaller optimized images, remove any apps you are not using and avoid using sliders. Okay, and use a responsive design that is basically run smoothly and successfully on web and mobile as well. And then research the right target keywords. So whatever the niche you are working on, basically choose the right keywords for that. Okay, and then basically optimize your Shopify's product pages. So whenever basically you upload the new product to your Shopify store, so you need to basically optimize its title, description and tags, and the images as well. And the next thing is build links to your store. Okay, so backlinking is the most important thing in the SEO. So you need to basically build links to your store. Okay, so then the sixth one is rank higher with content marketing. So you need to do the content marketing. And then the last one is like we have some built-in apps in the Shopify store for SEO. You can use that app and you can basically optimize your store for SEO. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you